Hi, welcome to story time for the week of October 5th. We're going to read some helicopter stories and then make a helicopter. You can pick up a helicopter craft kit at the library anytime the library is open while supplies last. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 973-538-6161. Our first helicopter story is called Yellowcopter. Shiny new Yellowcopter is a rescue helicopter. Beep, beep, beep. The Ferris wheel stopped turning round. Our teacher's stuck. She can't get down. Let's fly, Yellowcopter. Rotors ready. Whoomp, whoomp, whoomp. Tail booms lifting. Skids are up. Hurry, Yellowcopter. Cranes can't reach. The wheel's too high. Planes can't help. They swoosh right by. Hold on, Teach. Yellowcopter, hover steady. Harness on. Winch is ready. Whee! Teacher safe? Coming down. Yellowcopters on the ground. Whoomp, whoomp, whoomp. Windy, wonderful, hooray! Our hero on a great fair day is Yellowcopter. Our next book is called I Love Planes. Planes, planes, planes. I like planes. I want to fly up high and scratch the sky, or float to the moon in a big balloon, or blink like a blimp at a ball game. I like to loop-de-loop and power drive and hover and soar, or shoot from a boat with an ear-splitting roar. I want to land on the sea and not get wet, then zoom to Grandpa's in my big jumbo jet. But most of all, I like to fly to where stars twinkle in the sky and visit Mom. Planes, planes, planes. I love planes. This one's called Look, There's a Helicopter. Look, there's a pilot ready for a mission. Can you hear the loudspeaker? Start the ignition. Look, there's a helicopter flying through the sky. Can you see the hot air balloons as they're floating by? Look, there's a broken boat. It is sinking down. Can you see the rescue button? It's big and round. Look, there's the pilot. She's here to save the day. Can you see the little dog? Make sure that he's okay. Look, there's the helipad. It's time to wave goodbye. The pilot will get ready for the next time she must fly. And that is, look, there's a helicopter. Okay, so we're going to make a helicopter. There's our helicopter. And in your kit, you will get one helicopter body, some skids, a big rotor for the top, a little rotor for the bottom, 2 circles to put on top of the rotors, some stickers for the tail, and then this is to lift up the rotor on the top, the big rotor on the top. And then all you do is glue your pieces together. And then the stickers are on, those are stickers, so you don't have to glue the stickers. Like I said before, you can get a craft kit at the children's room at the library when the when the library is open and while supplies last. Hope you have a good time making your helicopter, and see you next time. Bye-bye.